Tragedy over the Potomac, a tale of loss and lessons. A bustling winter day in Washington by chaos. An American Eagle jet and a U.S. Army Black Hawk helicopter collide in midair, both plunging into the icy Potomac River. It's a tragedy that leaves no hope of survivors, shaking a city to its core. The harrowing accident claimed 67 lives, including figure skaters and military personnel, leaving 28 bodies recovered so far. As rescue teams battled freezing waters, a heart-wrenching truth emerged. This was no longer a rescue, but a recovery mission. Among the victims were figure skaters returning from a training camp, brimming with dreams of victory. Their potential has been extinguished in a moment of airborne chaos. Families now left grieving. The loss reaches far beyond the victims. It's a shared national heartbreak. The U.S. Army personnel aboard the Black Hawk dedicated their lives to service. Their commitment ended in tragedy, symbolizing the fragility of even their heroic missions. This collision has claimed lives and raised urgent questions about aviation safety. As the wreckage sinks into the icy depths, the search for answers begins. The National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, has launched an extensive investigation. Officials must unravel the flight paths, analyze black boxes, and determine whether standard airspace patterns contributed to this deadly collision. Nearby Reagan National Airport, known for its dense activity, is at the center of scrutiny. Did our airways fail these flights? The pursuit of answers could redefine how the world views aviation safety and air traffic regulations. With both aircraft following standard patterns, this tragedy shocks the aviation world. Could better regulations have prevented this? Calls for stricter airspace management and improved aircraft communication systems grow louder, urging authorities to ensure every precaution is taken. As communities around the Potomac River mourn, there's an undeniable push for action. Governments and aviation bodies must work together, not just to recover from this disaster, but to prevent future occurrences. This collision blindsided a city and the nation. The haunting reminder of how quickly lives can change has united a community in grief and resolve. Rescuers faced freezing winds and dangerous conditions, mirroring the courage victims showed in their final moments. This tragedy urges all of us to reflect on what we can do to prioritize safety in our airspace. It's not just about airlines and governments. It's about demanding better for everyone who takes to the skies. Honor the memory of those lost by advocating for a safer future. Share their stories, learn the lessons, and push for change in aviation policies. Together, we can ensure that the skies remain a symbol of freedom and opportunity, not a battleground for tragedy. Don't let their loss be in vain. Take a stand for stricter safety measures, donate to relief efforts, and spread awareness. Together, we can honor those we lost and create a safer world. The time for action is now.